Got a product improvement piece here. This is a transmission pump out of a John Deere 24-speed manual shift transmission. So this is the original 9000, 9020, even 9030 had this particular pump, and you can't get it anymore. This is a 9R series pump, which you can get, and the pumps in thickness are identical, but the difference is in where it makes the pressure. So the easiest way for me to show that, you can see there's probably almost a 1/4 inch there. So the same difference here. So you're going to get more volume. It hasn't created an issue. We sell a lot of these transmissions, so it hasn't, by putting this in the older 9000 series, we haven't had any sort of, flow or hydraulic high pressure, if you will, issue. I don't think that you've got to change the gear inside, but that may be the only, the drive gear. That would be the only piece that I can think of. And we just call one a short pump and a tall pump. We don't sell the pumps, but if you needed a gear, we would have those. And of course, all of our rebuilds get the improved one. I know there is another company that will do an R&R on your transmission. They're significantly less money than what ours are, but ours are on the shelf and ready to go. They've got all the updates. We document everything on ours. So if you ever want to know, or even from making a buying decision, you want to know what was done to them, we can provide that. Instead of just saying we got a quote Reman transmission, here's what we did. And you'll see that they all get a new pump. So if you're just doing repairs, that'll save you a lot of grief, or just save you from having to buy a complete transmission when all you need is a pump. So just go to your 9360R, had that transmission, that's the pump you need.